beating our head up against the wall before MyCarrier came in, and that's not a paid statement at all. You know what I mean? And if you think your business is too small and you can't do it, that's the lie that you don't need to listen to, because the reality is 3 years ago, we would have never thought we were sitting where we are today. And today, we can't believe we're sitting here, even still. You know, it's an honor to be where we are.
When I was there for a long time, I did what was just used and what kind of was expected, and that wasn't working for us. So I was unhappy with where I was and what we were using. I hated to make the switch, but man, it's so worth it in the end. So finding that company that's also, you know, willing to work for you as well. So and there to be behind you 100%, and we've definitely found that. MyCarrier has definitely been a part of that too.
Anybody that comes over and uses it, we've had some new people join our team, and it's just like, oh my gosh, this is so easy. And it's like, okay, let's go back to what it was before, and then we can see and really compare the two and have a good apples to apples, and then you can really see for yourself that it really is a game changer.
Before we came across MyCarrier, we would book shipments one at a time individually with each carrier, often by just calling up the terminal and saying, hey, we have this shipment. So we would do it very manually. We would have to write down the pickup number, we'd have to write down the price, and then we would have to put it into our own system. When Scott found MyCarrier, we just were blown away by how easy it was to use. We could look at one screen that would show us all the carriers, all the prices, the transit time, all the different options, all the different accessorials, all in one place. It was like night and